1969 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T Dune Convertible 2D. Price, $6,500. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Stormville, New York.
This is a quick sneak peek of what I've been working on the last few months. This is basically right now a 1958 Ferrari 246 Dino Formula One car. It was a barn find, a 1955 miniature race car with torsion bar suspension, rack and pinion steering, disc brakes, the whole bit, but it had to be completely redone. So I said, hey, why not make a Ferrari out of it? It's the exhaust coming out the back there, lube is for heat. And I had to make it bigger because I couldn't fit it in the dumb thing, so I had to move the pedals, put a much bigger engine in it, new tires, new race slicks in the back, instruments, steering was redone, new seat. It's basically brand new, and welcome to 1958.
A fun, street-legal 1969 Volkswagen Beetle Dune Buggy that's built for sunny cruises, beach roads, and weekend adventures. Powered by a reliable 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen flat-4 engine paired with a manual transmission, this lightweight buggy delivers the classic open-air driving experience enthusiasts love. Finished in bright blue, it runs and drives, making it an affordable entry into the world of vintage Dune buggies. The seller notes it may need a real cylinder, but overall it offers plenty of character, classic VW simplicity, and endless potential for cruising, shows, or light off-road fun. If you're looking for an eye-catching classic that turns heads wherever it goes, this Beetle-based buggy is ready for its next adventure. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1985 Volkswagen 4-seater Berrien rail buggy. Price, $9,500. Mileage, 999 miles. Location, Massillon, Ohio. Built for excitement and open-air adventure, this 1985 Volkswagen 4-seater Berrien rail buggy is a fully street-legal machine that combines lightweight performance with classic Volkswagen reliability. Powered by a rear-mounted air-cooled Volkswagen flat-4 engine paired with a manual transmission, the buggy delivers quick acceleration and an exhilarating driving experience. The seller describes it as running great and being very fast, making it equally enjoyable for weekend cruising, local car shows, or backroad fun. Finished in vibrant red with a gray interior, the buggy features an adjustable aluminum suspension setup, a clear title, and is reported to be in excellent condition with no significant issues. Ready to hit the road immediately, this eye-catching 4-seater offers an exciting blend of performance, practicality, and unmistakable Dune buggy style that is guaranteed to attract attention wherever it goes. Ford Indy car recreation. Price, $39,000 US. Location, United States. Inspired by the legendary Ford-powered Indianapolis race cars of the late 1930s, this stunning Ford Indy car recreation captures the golden age of American motorsport with remarkable craftsmanship and authentic styling. Hand-built by Reckless Cars in Argentina, the racer features beautifully formed aluminum bodywork over a steel chassis, finished in deep blue with vintage racing details including leather bonnet straps, a Brooklands windscreen, knockoff wire wheels, and dual side exit exhausts. Under the sleek body sits a 221ci Ford flathead V8 upgraded with Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, an aluminum intake manifold, dual carburetors, a 12-volt electrical system, and an electric cooling fan, delivering classic flathead performance through a 4-speed manual transmission. Delta IRF 4 Formula Race Car. Price: bid to $8,400. Location: United States. Designed to deliver the pure thrill of open-wheel motorsport, the Delta IRF 4 Formula Race Car is a lightweight, purpose-built racing machine engineered for exceptional speed, razor-sharp handling, and outstanding driver feedback. Featuring a high-performance Formula racing engine paired with a sequential-style manual racing transmission, this single-seat racer offers rapid acceleration, precise gear changes, and track-focused performance. 26 years owned 350-powered sprint car project. Location: United States. Inspired by the legendary 1952 Indianapolis 500 winning Agajanian Special driven by Troy Ruttman, this striking sprint car project is built on a 1980s-era sprint car chassis with lightweight fiberglass body panels finished in an authentic white and red number 98 race livery. Equipped with a full roll cage, polycarbonate windscreen, chrome crash guards, aerodynamic radiator cover, Firestone racing tires on 16-inch knockoff wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, torsion bar suspension, and a purpose-built racing cockpit with Stewart Warner gauges and Simpson harness, this machine captures the raw spirit of vintage American oval track racing. Although it has not been run in the last 5 years, it remains an exciting restoration or historic race project, complete with spare components and sold with a bill of sale. 2000 Motor Trike Ecstasy Renegade motorcycle. Price: $11,500. Mileage: 300 miles. Location: Lumberton, North Carolina. Description: built by the factory as an Ecstasy Renegade trike. This eye-catching custom machine blends aggressive hot rod styling with the comfort and stability of a three-wheeler. Finished in a striking blue exterior, it offers an unforgettable driving experience with bold looks, strong performance, and a unique presence that turns heads wherever it goes. With only 300 miles driven, the trike is presented in excellent condition, making it an ideal choice for cruising, car shows, or weekend adventures. Engine: power comes from a fresh 2022 Chevrolet 350ci 4-bolt main V8, upgraded with a mild performance camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads, and an aluminum intake manifold for improved airflow and reliability. The V8 is paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifting, impressive torque, and classic American V8 rumble, making this factory-built Renegade trike both exciting to drive and dependable on the open road. Monogram paddy wagon style go-kart with trailer. Price: $6,200. Location: Livonia, Michigan, United States. Built in 2025 in the playful spirit of the classic monogrammatel paddy wagon model kit, this custom go-kart looks like a full-size cartoon police cruiser brought to life. Finished in white with bold police-style detailing, it rides on a tubular steel frame with chrome suspension parts, 10-inch wheels, hydraulic rear disc brakes, working lights, siren, and a fully themed interior featuring tan vinyl seating, quilted accents, gauges, and even a faux pistol grip shifter. The rear compartment includes removable bench seating and porthole-style windows, while a matching single-axle trailer with ramps and winch completes the package for easy transport and display. 2024 little car company Ferrari Testa Rossa J. Price: $96,000. Mileage: 19 miles, 30 kilometers. Location: St. Louis, Missouri, United States. Crafted under official Ferrari license by the Little Car Company in Bicester, England, this 3/4 scale Ferrari Testa Rossa J recreates the iconic Lucibel 2 racing legend in stunning detail. Hand-formed aluminum bodywork with Scaglietti-style pontoon fenders sits over a tubular steel frame, finished in metallic white with blue racing stripes and authentic Ferrari badging. Every detail echoes classic endurance racing heritage, from the Berrien-style wire wheels to the leather straps, enclosed headlights, and finely finished cockpit designed to mirror the original 250 Testa Rossa. Engine: instead of a combustion engine, this modern reinterpretation uses a 12 kilowatts electric motor powered by a battery system mounted beneath the body.